Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I dyed my hair from this to this. This is Double Ash by Fanola from their free paint range. Okay, to begin with, I had to bleach my roots. As you guys can see, I have a fair bit of regrowth and my natural hair color is level 1 or level 2. I've been told by a hairdresser that's like the number that my hair is. I have no idea, but it's really dark. And as you guys can see as well, I have other colors to deal with. So I pretty much just slapped the bleach onto my roots, but I'll get to that in a second. So these are the products that I normally use. Again, if you guys would like a list of the products that I used, check out the description box down below. I'll also have other videos that may relate to you guys or you might find interesting or helpful in the process. Again, I'm not a hairdresser, so really up to you guys if you guys want to do this to yourself. It was still fairly orange and it wasn't even. I have to admit my application was not perfect, and it usually isn't when I have like a bit of length in my hair. Usually I like to keep the sides of my hair very short, but anyway, I digress. I had to bleach it again, so I left it in for another 30 minutes and this is the color that it turned out. I was fairly happy with how this turned out, so I decided to just go ahead and tone my hair. So I first used this shade. This is like a professional hair dye that I got from a friend. This is a number 7. I think this is like medium ash blonde. I think it's what it's called. I mix it in with some 10 vol or 20 vol, or a mix of both, a combination of both, I'm not really sure. Essentially, if you use a lower volume of hair developer, it just deposits color, and I really didn't want to lift the roots any further. So again, I pretty much just paint this onto the roots because I was kind of going for that ombre-esque look, and this is the color it turned out. And obviously I wanted to go for a nice strong gray color, so that's when I applied the Fanola free paint Double Ash, and I just mixed in a tiny bit, and I mean a tiny amount of conditioner. You should really apply this directly onto your hair if you want like a really pigmented look. I personally wanted somewhere in between, which is why I added some conditioner, and I left it on my hair for probably, I'd like to say 20 minutes, and then I washed it out, and as you guys can see, really pretty color, really nice and dark. So this is basically what my hair looks like after a couple of washes. I've probably washed my hair 4 times now, so obviously I've got my studio lights on, but this is basically the color. So if I pull my hair up like that again, so the ends are really nice and silvery gray. There are some patches where it's not very even, and that's just mainly because of my application and everything, but nothing like a little bit of Fanola No Yellow foam will fix, or No Yellow shampoo will fix. But the roots are really nice as well. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the hair around my hairline, like the face bit, it's a little bit lighter compared to the rest of the hair, and that's what I normally experience just because of how I wash my face. And obviously you kind of want to get rid of all the makeup as well that's in the hairline, so I don't mind that, but it's fading out really nicely. Here's a handy tip: if you guys would like to make this last longer, you can just use the same free paint Double Ash and mix it in with conditioner. So maybe, I don't know, like 80% conditioner, 20% of the double paint, and then just mix it in together, and then just use that every time you wash your hair. Or you can just use your blonde products if you guys have all those products, so like your purple shampoos or your purple conditioners. So I personally like to use the Fanola vegan No Yellow shampoo and conditioner. I also have the foam. By the way, if you guys would like to watch a demonstration of that foam, I'll link it on the screen and down in the description box down below, and that's just going to help enhance the silver gray shade that you have. But anyway, that's pretty much it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tell me down in the comment box down below what kind of products you use to get silvery ashy blonde hair, or just like nana hair in general. I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.